Student, today we are going to cover one important topic of unit number 5, that is design issues of transport layer. This is the complete syllabus of your unit number 5. Design issues, a simple question in exam that explain design issues of transport layer will be there in your question paper. Design issues are related to the practical problem that network manager or the network administrator is going to face while designing the overall computer network structure. So first design issue is the reliability. Reliability is the issue when a network channel and component may be unreliable, resulting in loss of bits while data transfer. So important design issues is the reliability. Reliability means your data should be transferred end to end in a proper manner without any error. This is for the reliability. Scalability, as scalability means whenever you want to scale your network while addition of the software or while addition of the hardware, then the old software and the old hardware should be compatible with it. So this is the scalability problem. Scalability, whenever you want to increase the size of the network, then a major issue that is called scalability is occurs. Addressing, at a particular time, innumerable messages are being transferred between large number of computers. So naming or addressing system should exist so that each layer can identify the sender and receiver of each messages. Addressing is just a given a particular name, a particular IP addresses to the system connected in the computer network. So sometimes it happens that some systems are having some addressing conflicts, some networks is having some addressing conflict, and this is the major design issue of the transport layer. Error control is basically related with the error detection and the error correction, but both the system and the sender and the receiver side should use same kind of technique so that error correction and detection will become easy. And it is a major issue when we are going to use UDP protocol. UDP protocol is a protocol which is unreliable protocol and uses an unreliable channel where a dedicated connection is not being established. So design issue while error control comes whenever we are going to design unreliable channel. Flow control, this is a very simple issue. Flow control, whenever the sender and the receiver speed are not matched, then flow control problem will be there. When the rate of data producing and the data sending or data receiving is mismatched, then flow control problem is occur. And with this problem, there are the chances of overflowing the receiver. So proper flow control mechanism, as we have already studied in data link layer, should be used, and while in the transport layer this is done by the TCP protocol that we have studied in the next classes. Resource allocation, whenever computer networks sizes increases, allocation and deallocation of the common resources like file server, file system, where you are going to save your files, you are going to take the printout of the systems, the fax machine, and so many systems, so many resources which are common should be designed in such a way that it can be easily allocated, it can be easily deallocated, and your overall working should not be affected with this. Statistical multiplexing, as the multiplexing concept is that whenever you want to transfer some data from source to destination, then it is not necessary that each and every system should have a single dedicated line. So you have to use multiplexing concept where a common channel is used and it will again be used by the some other channels. Routing, as the major concept of routing is to transfer data from source to destination, but we have to find out the dedicated path, optimal path by which the cost and the time should be maintained. The less cost will be needed and the less time should be needed to forward the data from one source to other destination. This is basically the design issues comes in the routings. Then security, the major security of the data communication is defended against the unsuspected users. Security is basically the term which is used to ensure your data security either with the help of your login ID, password, cryptography, online banking transactions you are doing, some steganography concept, and so many other new algorithms are coming in the market which ensure the security of the data. So security is a major issues, and many research are being going on with this particular topic. So let's sum up with today's topic. Today we have studied about the design issues of the transport layer. We have studied reliability, scalability, addressing, error control, flow control, resource allocation, statistical multiplexing, routing, and security. So you have to remember the major key points in order to write the answer of this particular question. So stay at home and stay safe and prepare your notes. Thank you.